How to buy and cast votes using Orange Money. Tap on Voting. Select the voting event. Tap on Buy Votes. Select the type, if it's a single or package as the case may be. Select the amount you want to buy. Tap on Next. Scroll down. Select Orange Money. Enter the full Orange Money number here. Scroll down. Enter your Orange Money PIN. If the number which you entered here is not in this phone, scroll down, use the phone where the Orange Money number is and dial this short code. After dialing, tap Next. Orange Money will send you a payment code in that number where you dial the short code. Enter the payment code here and tap Submit Payment to complete. But if the Orange Money number is in this phone, tap on Get Code from Orange Money. Tap Dial. Tap OK. Open the message I was sent to you by Orange Money, which contains your payment code. This is your payment code. Note it down as you'll be required to enter it when you get back into the app. Get back into the app. Enter the payment code and tap Submit Payment. Tap OK. Tap on Tickets. Tap on Cast Votes. Select the category in which you want to cast your votes. You can even search for the category. Scroll down to find your contestant, or you can search the name of your contestant. Tap here to vote for your contestant. Select the amount of votes you want to cast for your contestant and tap Submit Vote. Tap Yes.